Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove voicemail from iPhone. So if at the end of the day you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To remove voicemail from iPhone, you can either delete individual messages on the voicemail or clear all messages from voicemail screen and also delete all deleted voicemail. To do this, all you need to do is go ahead and open the phone app, locate and click on voicemail. Now, if you have any voicemail messages here, all you simply need to do is go ahead and click on edit at the top left. Then you'll be able to select all your voicemail. Once you selected all the voicemail you want to remove or delete, then on the menu here, there is mark as read and there is delete. Go ahead and click on delete option. Once you click on delete option, this is going to delete the selected voicemail. Now, once you are done, on the voicemail page, you now have deleted voicemail. Go ahead and click on the deleted voicemail and click on clear all at the top right where you see greetings here. If you open your deleted voicemail, you have access to clear all. Then go ahead and click on it to clear all your voicemail and then you are good. So that is basically how to delete or remove voicemail from iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.